What's up, guys?
Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be unboxing
Pie Face!
So this is a family game. You can play it with your family. It's a really basic but very fun game.
Yes.
This is the back. My favorite part of this is that we'll be using whipped cream.
And it will go onto your face. But it's super duper cold.
This whipped cream, we took it a bit to the next level and made it so cold.
It feels like sitting there in the fridge for 6 months. Let's take our handy dandy scissors and let's open this. It's upside down.
That's the
Time
only
for
tape
the fun
we
part.
need to put.
Yes, there's a lot in there.
Whoa,
Oh, there's
this
this
is where-
frame.
Yeah, where I put the face.
Whoa! There's instructions because you need to know how to build.
I think we can do this without the instructions.
Because I mean, like, I've been waiting for this for so long and oh, look at me. Pie on your face. This is the handle.
The only part I'm scared of is if the plastic hits my face.
It will.
About it.
What? It doesn't really hurt, actually. You try it on yourself.
And you do it to yourself.
I'm fine. Well, looks like if you want whipped cream to taste, you gotta get past the slap hand.
I'll put my face a bit back so only the whipped cream fits.
You gotta get the hand on your face, or else the whipped cream will
Get
just go
all
like
this
this,
garbage
and then the
away.
whipped cream will just fall down on your shirt. There is the spinty dinty thingy. Oh, it's in there. Here is the spinner arrow thing. This is the framey.
I love how you
frame.
build the most basic stuff.
I love this thing. My neck is so small. I never had a neck.
Comfortable?
Oh, it's comfortable. I can sleep in this. So we're taking this tiny piece and putting it over here for the spinner and clipping the arrow on top. Oh, you need to sit on the floor, then it will work more.
So this is.
Oh my gosh, that works so well. Look how I first thought it would work. Like that, and then when I put it on the... What's it? I got a 4! Oh no!
The best thing is a 2. I feel like there should be a 1. So where does this
And
go?
a safe, and a safe.
Well, I get it now.
Okay, let's just clip.
We believe this is for the handle.
It's so cool.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Who should
Did
go
I?
first?
You.
Okay.
Wait, I want to go first.
Okay. So,
Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's spin the spinner.
please get 5.
4! Oh no.
Okay, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
You're asking
no,
closing
no.
my eyes.
Please get 2.
By the way, our parents are here and there.
Yes, I got a 2.
Oh no!
Oh no.
No, it's a fake. It's a trick.
Oh no.
Is it yummy though?
Yeah. At least that was good. That's the only good thing.
Okay, here you go. Take the tissue.
Luckily on my final turn, I just closed my eyes.
Looks yummy. I want to get that now. But was it cold?
Oh, that's good.
Let's spin this. My turn.
Oh wait, I forgot to.
I got a 5. Oh no. Someone's in trouble. More. Last time it was like this. I just want to get more. Ah.
Yeah, I should do that. That is smart. Open my mouth.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
So lucky. I'm still gonna get it now.
Close your eyes and wait. You have to spin.
Oh yeah. Please get a 2.
No! Yes.
I got a 4. Okay, fine. For this round, I'm gonna give my round to my brother because he wants to try getting in the face. Like,
I want to try it, but
okay, yes, that's enough. Too much sugar.
They say a handful of sugar makes the medicine go down. Wait, how do you spit? I nearly forgot the main reason.
Okay.
So next round, I'll spin and it's for him, okay? 2, yes! No! How could this happen to me?
Wait, luckily I have so much whipped cream.
That's good.
Oh, I don't know why. I
Spin the spinner.
Guys, let me just appreciate the final seconds of my life before I get whipped in the face.
Again, wait.
My greatest brother over here.
You mean your only brother?
Same thing. My greatest parents over there.
You mean
behind
your only
the
parents?
scenes. Same thing. I just wanted to say bye, my friends. Have a great journey.
You didn't even spin the spinner.
I got 3, don't you
yeah.
remember? No way.
No!
No!
You keep getting whipped in the face.
No.
Okay, here you go. Too much sugar. But they do say a handful of sugar makes the medicine go down.
It's a spoonful.
I would like some too. It's delicious. Let's do.
You so stop.
2, 1, go.
Get 5.
4.
4.
Yes! 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 I wasn't expecting.
Whoa. Look at the screen. Oh!
Would you like some?
From the table.
Our map should be here.
True, why is it there? The math field doesn't. I still can't believe how unlucky I was. When
At the moment you got sprayed, I got sprayed. At a lot.
Wait, proper spin.
See what you got.
3, I'm happy with that. I don't think I'll get sprayed like straight away.
Close your eyes. Oh my gosh.
Yes!
Okay, let's see.
Peace, people.
You always
Look, that thing's off the table.
Okay, see you later. Oh. Thank you, Mom.
It came from nowhere.
Okay, guys, I got 3. I know it's gonna go right now. Oh. Just got 2 more. Okay, guys, I have an idea. This round, we'll ask questions to each other. And then if you get it wrong, you get.
Yeah. So how about this? If you get it wrong, you need to spin 3 times.
5 times.
No, 3 times. Let's do 3
Okay.
for now.
And every round someone gets
And
right,
if you
it
get
gets
it-
1 more.
And if you get it correct, you do not spin. First question, you ask me, okay?
Okay. It's know me better, like questions about you.
Okay.
What do I like more, basketball or gymnastics?
Gymnastics.
Correct.
Now I'll ask you one. I'll try my hardest to make it hard, but I don't know if it'll be hard for him because he knows me very well.
Yeah, I mean we're brothers, so.
Ooh, I have one. What's my favorite car? Bugatti or McLaren?
McLaren.
Correct. I thought you.
I
would
was gonna say Bugatti Veyron
because that was my Bugatti Chiron's the fastest. But anyways, that used to be my favorite, and I thought maybe he didn't know.
Our dad was like next to us. He was like. Okay. What do I like more, pink or neon orange?
Neon orange.
That is wrong. I like pink more. That's my second favorite color, pink. My third favorite color is neon orange. Okay.
So 3 times it is.
Mm-hmm.
Can we make it once?
Nope. Wait.
Okay, so. I would recommend for you to get this as it is super duper fun. The only annoying part is when you get whipped in the face.
This toy is really recommended. It's really fun. If you get whacked in the face, it's not like something bad. At least you get some whipped cream. So you know, when I was younger, I cried at the first time I tried it. I was like, because everyone was laughing at me. So I was like 3 years old, and I was like, and now I'm like, oh, let's do it again. I'm so happy. Just take a tissue. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and
Bye.
bye.
I mean,
You're gonna
try?
play?
Yeah.
Yes.